Hi, I'm Jody Benz, and I'm a lawyer, more specifically, a civil litigator. Now, some of you may be wondering, how is that any different from a lawyer? It's not different really, just a specialized area. I work with things such as wills, where we take the belongings of the deceased and distribute them to their loved ones, and settlements, where two people have an argument and they need to come to a conclusion that's fair for both parties. I really feel like my childhood and my high school helped influence me to choose my career path. When I was younger, I loved to volunteer. I worked with animals, the elderly, other kids. I would help whenever I could because it just made me feel good. And I also liked rules, because rules are amazing. They keep you safe, and they're there for a reason, which is why I always washed my hands before dinner, never talked back, and I never ate a cookie before dinner. That's ridiculous. So when it came time to choose a pathway, the law, justice, and education pathway just made sense to me because the law is a lot of rules, and I love rules. Throughout my time there, we had this project, the murder in the mini gym. The freshmen would investigate a murder. The sophomores would then take the clues and compile them into a case. The juniors would then try the case, and the seniors would then bring it back as a civil case. Well, as you can guess, senior year was my favorite because we focused on civil law, and it was so interesting and I just loved it. Senior year was also pretty cool because I got accepted into Harvard, a big school with people just like me who are driven and focused. I studied at Harvard for 4 years and then went on to another 3 years at Harvard Law School. I then took my bar exam to become a licensed civil litigator in the state of California, and I now make $200 an hour. That's a lot of money, right? But I have a lot of student loans. Another part of my job that I really love, that connects with my volunteer work before, is I choose to do a pro bono case once a month. I take one person's case, do it, and don't charge them, because pro bono just basically means free legal help. And a case that really sticks to me is one of my very first ones. It was a family who had lost the father and didn't get the life insurance policy on him. The mother couldn't take care of the kids by herself, so she had to quit her job. And because they didn't have any money coming in, they lost their house. They were homeless, scared, didn't know what they were going to do. I took their case on and I was able to get them the money they deserved. So now they're happy, safe, and healthy, and it just makes my job worth it so much more. I feel like the law, justice, and education pathway helped me make a difference in the world, and it can make a difference for you.